What we are looking at here is a Stanley number 45. Needs some restoration. Overall, it's in good shape. It is the B casting mark, which is January 22nd, 1895 patent date on it. Has two patent dates on it, actually. And problems that I see with this is it's missing a screw. The pin is bent right here, but it's still there. It's not broke off yet. The handle's cracked. It's still got an iron in it. The iron's sharp. Overall, good plane. B casting mark. There is a hairline crack right here. So the fence has a crack in it. But it's still intact. It's still usable. Good restoration project. Hit the subscribe button. Ring the notification bell if you want first chance at my future auctions.